The mountainous province of Ifugao is home to one of the world's greatest natural wonders, the Banawe Rice Terraces, the eighth wonder of the world. Scaling the mountains like giant green stairs, the rice terraces are a majestic sight to behold and one of the country's most recognized symbols. There are also other similarly structured rice terraces within the province, such as the Bangaan Rice Terraces. These rice terraces are a part of a collective known as the Rice Terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras, which include rice terraces in Batad, Hungduan, Nagakadan, and Mayoyao. In 1995, they were recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. A village sits at the center of the Bangaan Rice Terraces, where another symbol of Ifugao culture can be found: the native Ifugao house. These sturdy houses are built entirely from wood, since the time of the ancient Ifugaos. Aside from providing shelter, they also house various cultural artifacts like weapons, dining tools, and statues of their rice god known as Bulur. A place where one can connect with ethnic culture and the call of nature. Ifugao offers an intimacy with the wonders of Mother Earth like no other place in the world can.